Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to make a door that automatically opens when the player gets close and closes when they walk away. Alright, let's get started. First, create a new blueprint actor and name it BP_door. Open it up. Add a cube component. This will be the door panel, the part that swings open. Resize it to look like a door and adjust its location so it sits nicely in place. Now, add a sphere component. This will act as the pivot point. We'll use it to rotate the door. Let's quickly adjust the sphere size and position. Attach the cube to the sphere, so when the sphere rotates, the door rotates with it. As you can see, when the sphere turns, the door moves too. Perfect. Next, add another cube component. This one will be the door frame. Resize it to fit around the door. Duplicate it and place one piece on each side. Now add a box collision. This will detect when the player gets close to the door. When our character overlaps this area, the door will open, and when they leave, it'll close again. Hit compile and save, then drag the door into your scene. Open up the door blueprint again. Select the box collision, right-click, and add an on-component begin overlap event. Connect it to cast to first-person character, so only the player can trigger it. Do the same for on-component end overlap. We'll use this one to close the door when the player walks away. We'll handle the animation using a timeline. Connect the play input to the begin overlap event and the reverse input to the end overlap event. Now double-click the timeline to open it. Add a float track. Set the length to 1 second and add 2 keyframes. At time 0, value 0. At time 1, value 90. That represents the door opening angle. Pull a reference to the sphere component into the graph. From it, call Set World Rotation. Connect the update pin from the timeline to this node. Split the rotation values and plug the float from the timeline into the Z rotation. Hit compile and save. Now press play and walk up to the door. It should open as you approach. But if it's opening in the wrong direction, no problem. Go back into the timeline and simply change 90 to -90. Compile again, save, and test it out. And there you go. Now the door opens toward the player when you get close and closes automatically when you walk away. Super simple and really handy for level design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.